Here we go, YouTubers. How to start and sort of run the 455 Husqvarna Rancher. Checking the fuel. There we go, 50-to-1 ratio on the fuel. Chain oil up the front here. There you go, all full of nice chain oil. Then about the last thing we need to check, chain tension. If it's a new chain, it will loosen up a little bit. Keep an eye on that. This one tends to jump off the bar pretty easy, so no problems at all. So push the decompression in. There's actually a chart at the back, so it shows you to knock this up one. This is a cold start. This machine hasn't been started for a couple of weeks. Push the decompression in. Next one is 6 pumps of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the fuel primer. Says 6 times there. You're supposed to pull it. So you pull this thing, make sure the bar's locked. Pull this thing until it kicks. So that's it. Knock the switch down like that. Turn it off like that. There you go. That's how to start the Rancher from a cold start. I'll show you how to start it from a warm start in a minute. So here we go. Here's the second one in the series. This thing's is red hot. It's just cut down a couple of trees, and we'll go through the starting procedure for warm. Now on the back it says number 5 doesn't get done, but I've always had success in starting it as I would when it's cold. You can stuff around. So what I'll do, up position like that, decompression switch on, give it 6 pumps. There you go, there's 1, 3, 2, there's already numbered. 6 pumps. Then give her a pull, lock your bar in, make sure it's not going to jump around. It started, put that down. There you go. Off and running.